Patrick at Pals. Well, the Hilux is outside, just like the Jeep is outside. That's because the engines are out of both of them. Over here, you can see 2 engine stands, 2 engines. This is the engine that came out of the Hilux. Jack's taken it apart, gotten all the components that we need for the new unit. And obviously we're going to need things like a water pump. Look at how that corrosion has damaged that pump. Inside this bag is the new engine for the Hilux. Cleanliness is what it takes for a new engine. That's why we wrap it up every night when we go home. We only unwrap it when we're working on it. Now on the floor, you can see transmissions. One's for the Hilux, another one's for a Jeep that we just did. Over here you got the exhaust for the Hilux. You know, when you got parts like this around your garage, you know that you're doing a lot of work. Over here on this is a steering column. That'll go into a unit that we have here. The next bay, we've got another transaxle that we've taken out of a vehicle. Over here on the bench, transmission's flipped up top. We're going to reseal it. All of these cars that are out here in the parking lot are in various stage of repair. Oh, there's a pretty vehicle. This is our ice cream truck. It's the Good Humor ice cream. That's a 58 Chevy. Most of the time I've shown you folks undercover, partially uncovered it. Here's the truck in all of its glory. It's uncovered because it's coming into the shop to put the transmission in it. In fact, the transmission that you saw flipped over on the desk is the transmission that we're going to transplant into this truck. Right now, if you look inside, it's got 3 pedals and it's on the tree. It'll still be on the tree when we get it done, or possibly on the floor, depending what the customer wants. But it'll be an automatic with 2 pedals instead of 3. If you've got a Good Humor ice cream truck, bring it to Pals. We love these vehicles. Folks, you'll probably never see another one like it. A 1958 ice cream.